All right, so let's have a look at widget building. On RideCave, we added a feature called Custom Views. And what this allows you to do is build custom workout views with over 80 different data points and panels and infinite configurations and layouts. Though what we're finding is that as we build more data points, users sometimes want more control and they might not like the layout of some of these data items. And so what we built is widgets. And widgets is probably one of the most powerful features on the entire RideCave platform. What widgets are highly complex and nuanced data fields for your workout player. And we have a lot of plans to extend this feature to more functionality, including custom workouts based on the same logic. But for now, let's have a look at what widgets do. When you come to this page for the first time, it'll be empty. Here I created a bunch for myself. But I'm going to go ahead and create a new one, and you land in the widget builder. And just like all of our other builders, you have templates, so you can select widgets that you might want to get started with. Let's just select one of these as an example. And so here you see the metrics that were added to the canvas and the preview of what the data item looks like. Now you can test these metrics with the sample data. We have dozens of data inputs that come from your workout, and so you can tweak these and see how your preview updates. For example, here for the power, let's go ahead and add a threshold for greater than 100. And let's make it red. Okay, so anytime the power is greater than 100, it'll turn red. So let's go ahead and turn that to 90, and you can see that it has turned back to the default color. You can add other custom thresholds, and you can also display these in different formats like bars, gauges, indicators, and text. Text works like if a value is greater than 100, say wow. So let's do 110. Wow. And so we think this is a really complex feature, but it's also a very powerful one. So there will probably be a small subset of users who create custom data items and widgets, and we're really excited to see what you do with them. This feature is just so complex it's hard to fully demo. Also, I'll just show you a few other things. If you want to move these metrics around, you can use these arrows to adjust where they appear. The formula field is a simple field that you can type in, and there's, I think, 65 different data points that you can use to create formulas for your data items. You can use common operands and math functions like round, absolute, floor, ceiling, min, and max. And there's a helpful documentation page with the widget formula references. You can see the arithmetic, the built-in math functions, and then there's some example formula ideas here if you want to play around. And then it gives you all 65 plus fields that you can use in your widget construction. And then once you save one of these, it will appear in the data picker. So here, when you're in here, you can see there's some rendering issues with the preview. It actually renders fine in the workout view, but this is a custom widget that I've added to this view builder. So when you come over here, then you'll see your personal widgets. See all the ones I've created. And then if you've marked any public, which I haven't done here, you'll see the public ones from the community here. So I think over time, the community will build more widgets. And an important update to mention in this particular release, we also added YouTube and Spotify widgets. So if you want to watch a YouTube video while you're seeing your workout data, you can do that. And let me see if I can show you what that looks like real quickly. And here you go. Here's that entertainment view that I built. You can watch a YouTube video or play music while you're working out. Okay, and so that is custom widget building on RideCave.